Looking to earn extra cash online? GPD sites might just be the solution you've been searching for. Discover how you can leverage these platforms to easily complete tasks and earn rewards from the comfort of your own home. Join me in this video as we explore the exciting world of GPD sites and unlock a great opportunity to boost your income online. Before we embark on this journey, I invite you to subscribe and activate notifications, ensuring you never miss out on our valuable content. I'm dedicated to sharing powerful methods to make money online that are accessible worldwide. It would be wonderful if you could share your location in the comments below, enabling me to tailor content specifically for your region. Now, let's seize the day and get started. Ready to earn money online? UniquePaid is not just another get-paid-to site. It's your ticket to easy cash online. Complete simple tasks and offers to pocket rewards effortlessly. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or anyone looking to make extra money, UniquePaid has opportunities waiting for you. Imagine earning extra cash in your free time without any hassle. UniquePaid offers a seamless way to boost your income by doing what you already enjoy: browsing the web, taking surveys, and more. Your financial goals are within reach with UniquePaid. The best part? UniquePaid is available worldwide. UniquePaid pays you real money for signing up for free offers, reading emails, completing paid tasks and surveys, visiting sites, shopping online, referring friends, and referring advertisers. There are many ways for you to earn money. UniquePaid pays through Skrill, Payeer, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Bitcoin, and by check. You choose the best method of payment that suits you most, and the best part is, there is no minimum payment amount to get paid via Payeer. Whether you make just 1 cent or $500 or more during any month, you can get paid. UniquePaid has referral structure expands up to 3 levels, and there is no limit for referrals. You get $2 added to your account for each user who registers using your referral link. UniquePaid also pays you for referring advertisers. You will get 10% from all advertisers' deposits for the duration of the advertiser's activity in the program. UniquePaid membership is absolutely free and absolutely free offers. Don't miss out on the chance to earn rewards in your spare time. Join UniquePaid today and start making money online. As we draw to a close, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your time and attention. If this video sparked a light within you, please consider sharing that light with others through likes, comments, and shares. Your support is the wind beneath our wings. Remember to subscribe and join us on this enlightening journey of more such videos.